Hi guys, my name is Ishan Narang and today I will be telling you how to grow your business with email marketing. The best part about email marketing is being the most lucrative form of online marketing, boosting an ROI of 4400%. And this is the only reason why email marketing is becoming a popular form of marketing technique day by day. Now let's learn more about it in details. To grow your business with email marketing, you need to focus on sign up process and you need to make it easy for user to sign in. See, it is very important to take every decision keeping the user in mind. So considering their comfort and their retention rate, prepare your sign up form. If you will ask for a lot of personal details, then definitely no user or very less user will sign up. So better to avoid multiple steps in a sign up.